Can you believe it? A massive herd of wild boars, dozens of them, is wreaking havoc in downtown Alberta, causing over $800,000 in damage every year. Hey everyone, before we dive in, I'm super curious. Have you ever dealt with wild boars causing trouble near where you live? If you find the video helpful, drop a number 1 in the comments. The city of Alberta is facing over $800,000 in damages due to wild boars in the downtown area. Due to a lack of natural food sources, wild boars have started foraging in residential areas, frequently rummaging through trash cans. This behavior has increased environmental pollution by 20 to 50% annually, raising the risk of respiratory diseases for residents. The frequency of wild boar attacks on cities is increasing, with each herd consisting of 20 to 50 animals, raising concerns about the physical and mental health of the community. In response to wild boars causing damage and pollution in cities, Canadian residents have installed fences to prevent them from entering residential areas. These galvanized steel fences, 0.08 inches thick, are carefully crafted, periodically maintained, and have a lifespan of up to 20 years. Installing a steel fence 16.4 feet high and 327 feet long costs between $1,000 and $2,000 US. This process requires considerable time and meticulous work to ensure the fence is securely connected. Otherwise, a single strong charge from a wild boar could destroy its structure. However, this is not a long-term solution because wild boars are intelligent and quick to adapt, capable of learning how to overcome fences. To control the significant increase in wild boar populations, Canadians have found net traps to be more effective than fences. In Canada, the use of net traps has reduced the wild boar population by 90% within 5 years.
look at there.
To prevent ecological imbalance, the Canadian government has issued regulations regarding the use of net traps. Hunters must obtain all necessary permits, including a wild boar hunting license, a firearms license, a trapping permit, and hunting insurance. The wild boar hunting license allows hunting up to 100 boars per year. If a hunter lacks any of the 4 required permits, they are prohibited from participating and may face severe legal penalties for violating regulations. To set up a wild boar net trap, hunters need to measure precisely with a tape measure. The net trap is typically circular, with a distance of about 10 feet from the central pole to the stakes holding the net.
Actually got a little crew to help.
A net trap consists of approximately 10 to 12 stakes made of iron or sturdy metal to ensure durability.
Tree to the black line.
Placing the stakes at the correct distance helps keep the net evenly taut and secure, increasing the effectiveness of capturing wild boars.
There was a huge fly on your hand.
And right here on the netting, put a T-post first.
Two pigs right there.
The net is made of polypropylene, which has high tensile strength, preventing wild boars from escaping or damaging the net. This ensures the trap operates effectively and remains durable in harsh environments. According to reports, wild boars are often attracted to certain scents, and one of the most effective baits is a mixture of corn, Jell-O gelatin, and yeast. This bait has a distinctive fruity aroma and sour taste.
We should go get Mexican. I had it twice yesterday.
To prepare the bait, a 5-gallon bucket is used, filled first with corn, then mixed with Jell-O gelatin and yeast, and water is added until it covers the corn by about 1 inch. The mixture needs to ferment for about a week, ideally placed in sunlight to develop an enticing smell for wild boars. Adding milk can increase the sourness, but is optional. This method is not only effective, but also cost-efficient. The trap operates using a complex net system to capture wild boars. When setting the trap, hunters must ensure it is placed in areas frequently visited by wild boars, such as flat terrain with abundant food sources. As wild boars approach and enter the trap in search of food, an auxiliary arched net beneath the main net, in contact with the ground, creates a false escape route. Once the boar is caught in the net, it cannot escape. The more it struggles, the tighter the net constricts.
Hey, piggy piggies. Oh, dang.
It's like a pig trampoline.
After setting the trap, hunters must check it periodically every 1 to 3 days to ensure the boars are not trapped for too long, preventing stress or injury. A Canadian hunter recounted that each time he set a trap, he could capture between 50 and 100 boars, with the largest weighing about 250 pounds. Trapping wild boars at night is a highly effective strategy in Canada. Compared to daytime, the success rate at night can increase by up to 50% because boars are more active and less cautious in low light conditions. Due to the circular net trap's design with no escape exit, Canadian hunters use firearms to euthanize the wild boars to prevent escapes during collection. The captured boars are then transported to authorities for processing and population control in accordance with hunting regulations. Hunters are prohibited from killing pregnant female boars or those nursing piglets. Violating this regulation can result in a fine of up to $5,000. To transport wild boars to the authorities, large trucks are used as they can navigate dense forest terrain. Each truck can carry between 50 and 100 boars, optimizing the efficiency of each hunting trip. This method saves time and effort for local residents. Each collection trip requires only 2 to 3 hunters to avoid attacks. Thank you for watching the entire video about the massive damage caused by wild boars and how to manage them. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to catch the next part. If you want us to cover a specific animal, leave a comment below.